marketing is a great tool to grow your local business. With so many choices, most companies overlook the power of video marketing. The average number of users watching videos daily is an astounding 100 million and growing. With the right plan, your local business can easily leverage this power and gain more customers. Today's expert is here with some simple strategies on increasing your local business through video marketing.
The problem for local businesses is that it's difficult to know how to leverage their video marketing to get more customers. It takes millions of view impressions to determine the most efficient click rates, conversions, and storyboard formulas. But the good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult if you've got the right strategy. There are millions of people looking for local businesses every day. What's important is zoning in on the right kind of video content that will allow your business to build brand recognition, reach more customers, and stand out from the competition. Placing content on your website and social media platforms is easy, but local businesses find out very quickly how important it is to have just the right video content formula that will gain customers. That's the biggest challenge. So, how does a local business leverage the power of video marketing? We like to give a few specific principles. Tip number 1, use thoughtful, engaging content. The goal of a video is to convert prospects to clients, so having a strategic storyboard formula for your content can maximize engagement and conversions. Tip number 2, solve a problem. Post videos that help to solve the problem that potential customers may have and make the process easy for them. Businesses using video grow company revenues 49% faster year over year, but you have to provide value. Tip number 3, shareable videos. 79% of consumers would rather watch a video to learn about a product than read text on a page. So, post videos that users will want to share with everyone and ask for them to share with others who might be interested. Our expertise is video marketing and strategy. We focus on helping local businesses build brand recognition, reach more customers, and stand out from the competition. For those that want to learn more, they can go to spectacularsuccessmedia.com/video secret, where they can learn how to use the power of digital video advertising to grow their brand and company. Or they can call us at 647-492-5666. We are happy to help because the market has shifted and it's important for business owners to stay ahead of their competitors.
And there you have it. With the right online marketing strategy, you will get more customers and increase sales in record time. Is it time to give your local business a boost? Our featured expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thank you for joining us.